This one little trick sped up my video editing so much. Find out what it is in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm talking about color grading your videos with LUTS. So before I get into this video, let me just ask you one question, and that is, how do you color grade your videos right now? Do you go through each individual clip and color grade each individual separately? Well, if you are, then this could be killing so much time and you could save so much time in your edit by using LUTS. LUTS stands for Lookup Table, and it's basically a color grading preset. It's kind of like using a cinematic Instagram filter for your videos, but how do we do it and how do we even get access to LUTS? To find LUTS, all you need to do is go onto Google and just search for free cinematic LUTS, and you'll find hundreds of pages offering you free LUTS. I color grade a lot of my music videos and these videos as well with cinematic LUTS, and it just saves so much time when I'm in the edit. So once you've downloaded your LUTS, you need to load up your video editor of choice, and in today's video I'm going to use Premiere Pro. So create a new project and just import all of the footage that you need. Now just throw all of this onto the timeline to begin with. Now from here, we want to create an adjustment layer. So go into the new item and create new adjustment layer. Now from here, you want to drag this adjustment layer and drag it over all of the footage. Make sure all of the footage is covered there. Now once this is covered, you want to go into the effects tab and you want to search for Lumetri color. Drag Lumetri color onto the adjustment layer. And now when you're inside of Lumetri, you want to go through and you want to find those LUTs that you just downloaded. Now you want to go through all of the ones that you downloaded and you want to try and find the best LUT for you. Try and find a specific look that fits the theme of your video. Once you've chosen your LUTs, you want to go through and you want to make some fine adjustments to the saturation and to the brightness. So drop levels onto this and you just want to adjust the levels accordingly, make sure everything's correctly exposed. And then do the same thing with fast color corrector, drop this on and adjust your saturation. Now one thing to note in Premiere Pro, when you're stacking these layers on top of each other, having them in different orders will affect your footage differently. So if you've got Lumetri at the top and you've got fast color corrector and levels below, you'll notice that it looks different to if you put Lumetri at the bottom. So make sure you're happy with the order of these effects. So now once this adjustment layer has got the Lumetri, the fast color corrector, and the levels applied to it, you can now go through each individual clip within your project and just adjust the brightness by using levels. And then there you go. That is a really quick and really cinematic way of color grading your videos. It's a tiny trick, but it will save you a lot of time. And if you've got loads of videos to edit in a short space of time, then just cutting down on that time on each edit will help you out massively in the long run. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.